Cancer is a disease caused by an uncontrolled division of abnormal cells in different parts of the body. Tumors are what form when there is abnormal growth of cells that don't die, and neoplasms are when there is abnormal growth of the surrounding tissue. These tumors that may form can spread, which is called metastasis, and can be either benign, meaning not cancerous, or malignant, meaning cancerous. This is not a specific thing that causes cancer, but instead many different things put together. Carcinogen is a general overview of all things that cause cancer. The main ones are genetics, tobacco, diet and physical activity, sun, and UV exposure.
There are over 200 different kinds of cancer, each one attacking specific parts of the body. The four most common kinds of cancer, however, are carcinoma, which is skin and tissue cancer, leukemia, which is when blood forms in the tissue and bone marrow, sarcoma, which is bone and cartilage cancer, and lastly, lymphoma or myeloma, which is cancer in the immune system. Each of these cancers progress and affects the body differently, but they can all go through the same four stages. Stage 1 is when the cancer is most likely to be cured because it is small and contained. Stage 2 is when the cancer spreads around to the surrounding tissue, and Stage 3 is when it spreads into the lymph nodes. The last stage, Stage 4, is when the cancer is most likely not curable anymore because it has spread to the rest of the body, making it almost impossible to get it all out. With that said, there are many different treatments that currently exist to help reduce cancer, such as radiation therapy and neurosurgery. The most common one is chemotherapy. Some chemotherapy drugs can bind to the cells, preventing them from making a copy of the DNA, and others stop cells from splitting into two daughter cells.
Cancer is defined at both cellular and genetic levels. Cancer is a result of unregulated cell division. They divide when they are not supposed to and abnormally grow. In the worst case, the cancer cells spread to other parts of the body. The reason cancer cells behave like this is because of the genes in the affected cell. A person's family history is the strongest known predictive risk factor for most cancers. It develops due to mutations, which are permanent changes in the DNA and genes. If mutations affect genes that control cell growth, this may cause a cell to grow out of control, ultimately becoming malignant.